Going on extreme adventures often requires a combination of ruggedness, versatility, and a taste for the untamed. And when it comes to exploring off the beaten path, few vehicles embody the spirit of adventure quite like off-road 4x4 camper vans. So our today's video features the 5 off-road 4x4 camper vans for extreme adventures. We'll be starting with the Rigwell Rocky, a capable 4x4 camper van built on a Sprinter 144 chassis, designed to cater to the needs of adventurous couples or small families who seek off-grid travel and exploration. With its robust capabilities and thoughtful features, the camper van features a comfortable and versatile living space for those looking to venture into remote areas. One of the standout features of the Rigwell Rocky is its patent-pending double Murphy bed system. This innovative design allows for efficient use of space, transforming the seating area into a cozy sleeping space when needed. The van is equipped with a 5-inch memory foam mattress, ensuring a restful night's sleep during your outdoor adventures. The kitchen area of the vehicle boasts a carbonized bamboo countertop, providing a durable and aesthetically pleasing surface for meal preparation. The cabinets in the van are constructed using aluminum and bamboo, combining strength and sustainability. Additionally, the kitchen features an aluminum framing and a Dometic sink, allowing for convenient meal cleanup and food preparation on the go. In terms of the bathroom, this one incorporates aluminum framing and carbonized bamboo wood, maintaining a sturdy and visually appealing aesthetic. The van includes a Tetford 92850 porta potty, providing a portable and efficient toilet solution for your outdoor excursions. With its seating capacity for 4 and comfortable sleeping arrangements for 3, the Rigwell Rocky ensures that you can bring along your loved ones to share in the thrill of off-grid exploration. Next up, the Chesapeake by Coastal Conversions is an exceptional 4x4 camper van that combines off-road capabilities with luxurious living on the road. Built on the Mercedes Sprinter 170 high-roof platform, this van offers a remarkable blend of ruggedness and comfort for those seeking the ultimate adventure. It's got upgraded rims and tires that not only enhance the van's aesthetics, but also contribute to its rugged and stylish appearance, ensuring you turn heads wherever you go. Inside the Chesapeake, you'll be greeted by the ambiance of a 5-star hotel. Custom maple cabinetry adds a touch of elegance and functionality, while the walnut live-edge countertop exudes natural beauty and warmth. The presence of a farmhouse sink enhances the overall kitchen experience, allowing for convenient meal prep and cleanup. Unlike many camper vans of its size, the Chesapeake offers the luxury of a wet and dry bath. This unique feature ensures that you have the convenience of a bathroom and shower even when venturing off the grid. You can maintain your hygiene and enjoy refreshing showers, adding a touch of comfort and convenience to your outdoor lifestyle. The van is equipped with a 360-watt ZAMP solar array, providing ample power to meet all your electrical needs while on the road. When it's time to rest, the Chesapeake boasts a queen-sized bed, offering a comfortable and rejuvenating sleeping experience. No matter where your adventure takes you, you can unwind and recharge knowing that a restful night's sleep awaits you. Tourig Bruce Banner 2.0 is a formidable adventure vehicle that builds upon the legacy of its highly acclaimed predecessor, setting new standards for ruggedness and versatility. Constructed on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 170 chassis, this van offers exceptional durability and reliability, making it a trusted companion for thrilling off-road journeys. Featuring the agile off-road RIP kit and Discovery AT3 tires, this one maintains a smooth and controlled ride, even on the most challenging terrains. This capability allows you to navigate rough trails and conquer obstacles with confidence, expanding your horizons and pushing the boundaries of exploration. The roof rack lighting setup adds an extra layer of security, ensuring visibility during nighttime adventures and providing a sense of safety in the darkest of environments. The galley kitchen of the Bruce Banner 2.0 is a standout feature, boasting a wooden countertop finish that adds a touch of elegance to your cooking space. Equipped with a fridge and sink, this kitchen enables you to prepare meals with ease, no matter how remote your location may be. You can savor the joy of cooking up delicious dishes in the heart of nature, embracing the freedom of self-sufficiency. When it's time to freshen up after a day of adventure, this camper van offers the convenience of a full bathroom, complete with a cassette toilet. Sleep is essential for rejuvenating during your expeditions, and the camper van provides a queen-sized bed with a 4-inch mattress, ensuring a comfortable and restful night's sleep. Additionally, the garage area located under the bed offers valuable storage space for your gear, allowing you to maximize the available room and keep your living area clutter-free. Get on a journey of freedom and exploration with the outside van Stingray. This camper van, built on the 2020 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 170 chassis, offers the perfect balance of home comforts and adventure. Stepping inside, you'll discover a 4-panel bed system with a custom mattress, providing ample space to relax and wake up rejuvenated. The removable flip-up login table near the slide door and the galley's countertops flip-up table create a welcoming area for meals and quality time with friends. The well-appointed kitchen area features an overhead microwave, abundant cabinetry storage, and a 144-liter Vitrafrigo stainless steel double-drawer refrigerator. Plus, the 2 rear benches can be converted into additional sleeping space, ensuring everyone can stay comfortably inside. With the outside van Stingray, the open road becomes your playground, offering endless possibilities for unforgettable adventures. We'll wrap up with the Nomad Van's ShakaDiva, a premium Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 van conversion that is the epitome of exploration and style. With its robust heavy-duty suspension, it conquers rough roads with ease, ensuring both you and your vehicle are well taken care of. Inside the ShakaDiva, a world of luxury and innovation unfolds. The feature wall, adorned with an AMA half-slider, heavy-duty trim enhancement, and flush slider window, creates a sleek and modern interior ambiance. The Gourmet Galley and Foodie's Delight appliance package equipped you with everything needed to whip up mouth-watering meals on the go. Enjoy your culinary creations in comfort with the login table leg and its convenient tabletop. When the day's adventures wind down, the sweet dreams with Frawley Travel Springs guarantee a restful night's sleep, enveloping you in comfort. Adding a touch of style to the interior, the feature wall with the Chilliwich Wave elevates the aesthetics of the ShakaDiva, making every moment spent inside a visual delight. So that was our video on the 5 off-road 4x4 camper vans for extreme adventures. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.